inspection. Got the paper pa. Diba? Oh my gosh. This is the receipt. Authenticity card. Kompleto oh. I'm gonna cry. I want this bag. Paper bag, dust bag. Oh my god, it's complete talaga. Siyempre na. Siyempre hindi ko alam, di ba? I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty. Meron pa bang ano? May plastic pa, no?
I don't think so.
Or not really na. Wala na. Ito pala sa loob. Just the loob.
No scratches.
Yan. It's Ayan yung loob. Super pretty. Parang ayoko tanggal eh. So yeah, there's no scratch. It's super clean. Oh, meron ka ng... Akin na to?
Yeah.
Yay! It's super clean. Oh my god. There's no scratch. No perfect condition. So, no scratch. Hologram stickers there. Yun. Yan. Super clean. Oh yan. Inspected by me. Diba? Oh my god. So, pocket is very clean. Ayan. Super clean. Okay. Stop. So, yun lang. Oh my god, the thing is clean. Very clean. Oh my god, it's as good as new. Mayroon din book. It came with a book. Oh my god, so swerte. Papers.